Hey, I posted a poll on my Insta asking if you guys want a full unboxing video or not of my parcel received. And many of you said yes, so here we are today. And by the way, if you don't follow me on my Instagram yet, go check out my page at Nooru's Nest. Well, I share little snippets of my daily life there. It's like the behind the scenes version of YouTube. Okay, shameless plug done. Let's start unboxing now. So, I recently received a parcel from Temu, and if you notice a lot of buttons in this video, just don't be surprised, okay? I recently discovered that replacing your normal plastic buttons with the metallic ones actually make your outfit look more classy, and trust me, it really does. The first set I got were these matte metallic gold buttons. Oh my gosh, the quality is so good, like really heavy and rich looking. I am really impressed. Then, because it's autumn here, I found these cute little hair clips. I ordered 4 of them. The look is really pretty, though they are super lightweight. But for this season, it works just fine. I'll try to link all the products of the details and the prices in the description for you guys. And speaking about the parcels, I recently got a special one from one of my friend in India who just started her business. You might have seen in one of my previous videos, I was preparing, shopping and organizing for my brother-in-law's arrival. If you have not watched that video, go check it out. So yes, she sent me these 2 beautiful sets. One is in this gorgeous baby pink and the other in the different shade of pink. They honestly look so rich and classy, yet are super comfortable to wear at home. And the best part is, without any effort, you just look adorable in them. The prices is also quite affordable. They are actually cord sets and the shirt length is perfect, especially for those who don't prefer wearing something short at the back. If you are interested in ordering, definitely check out her page Modern Marvelous on Instagram. She has a beautiful collection of luxurious bags and clothes, and yes, they deliver all across India. Now moving on, you all know I travel a lot, so I ordered these travel bags that help with packaging. They fit perfectly inside a suitcase and I got them in pink. And you know what they say? If a grown-up woman starts liking pink again, it means she's blooming in all ways. What do you think? Is that true? Comment below. I really wanna know your thoughts. Anyway, they came in 6 pieces, all different sizes, and the quality is pretty good. I also ordered another little pouch, again pink, just to keep my inners separate while traveling. Very handy. So yes, travel stuff sorted. Now I just need the holidays. Okay, back to my favorite part, buttons. I got so many. Metallic buttons, pearl buttons, even these clip-on buttons which are super smart. You just pin them on like a safety pin if your neck is too deep and it's fixed. Such a lifesaver, right? And guess what? All these were just like 1 or 2 pounds each, but the quality is honestly amazing. I also got some really big buttons, some tiny ones, so yeah, lots of buttons. I can't wait to replace them on my clothes. If I manage to do it nicely, I'll definitely share with you guys. And then this is what I was really waiting for. These adorable mini perfume bottles. I have been searching for the perfect size to carry in my handbag every day, and these are just perfect. I got 4 bottles for around 4 pounds. Well, I'll link the price in the description box, and they actually look super classy and luxurious. Totally worth it. What are your thoughts? Do comment down. Since I have been sorting my wardrobe recently, I also ordered some hangers for my pants. Let's see if they actually work out or not. And finally, since it's autumn, I got this keyboard mat for my office desk. I love changing up my setup with the seasons. If you have seen my desk setup on Instagram at Nooru's Nest, you know it's all pink. But now I must just switch to an autumn vibe. Exciting, right? So yeah, that's it for today's Temu unboxing and also that little surprise parcel from my friend in India. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me while I showed you all these cute finds. Let me know in the comments which product was your favorite and tell me if you believe in that pink color theory I mentioned earlier. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you have not already, and of course follow me on my Instagram for daily snippets. I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye.